I think it'll turn off in I think it'll turn on in 6:50.
Well, it says 6:45 here.
Oh, my phone is set as 6:48.
There we go.
Yay!
So tell me what you're supposed to do if you hear that.
Yep. Well, when the siren,
When you hear that siren, what are you supposed to do?
I don't know, cover it.
Go down in the basement under the stairs.
Yep.
You don't have to right now, but that's what you would do.
Yep. The siren finally turned on. Yeah.
Tell Matthew I want to talk. I want to make sure he knows.
Okay.
Tell him to come in.
Come in! Come in! Come in!
Tornado is downstairs. It's a tornado drill. You go downstairs like there's a tornado. Pretend there's a tornado and go downstairs.
I'll pretend I'm already there.
There's glass in this. No. You have to pretend it's a tornado.
Okay.
Tornadoes don't wait for shoes, Mason.
There.
How much time is on that food?
They're pretending that it's a real tornado. Auntie is supervising the.
From the army, I was tornado drill. It sounds like.
Huh?
From the army, I was tornado drill.
Well, he's just trying to figure out what's going on.
Where's your phone? How much time is left?
Right there. Perfect timing.